how to change time duration for game booster auto touch protection on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on advanced features. So you will see advanced feature is here, so click on advanced features. Now here, so click on scroll down and click on game booster settings. So after click on game booster settings, scroll down and you will see auto touch protection is here, so click on auto touch protection. So if you want to change time duration for game booster auto touch protection, so you will select time from 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and never. So you will select from here. After change auto touch protection, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can change time duration for game booster auto touch protection on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.